In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the variable price range in WooCommerce without using a plugin. We'll be working directly inside your WordPress dashboard, using the built-in site editor and a small piece of custom CSS. This is a clean, lightweight way to control how your prices appear, especially if you don't want customers seeing a price range like $10, $20 on variable products. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the menu on the left-hand side, hover your mouse over the appearance menu, and from the options that appear, click on Editor. This is often called the site editor in newer versions of WordPress. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your hosting, it might take a few seconds for all of the blocks and settings to appear. When the editor has fully loaded, move your attention again to the left panel inside the editor. Here, find and click on the option labeled Styles. As soon as you click it, a new sidebar will slide open from the left. This is where you can control how your site looks, including colors, typography, and importantly for us, additional CSS. On the top right corner of this new Styles sidebar, look for the More Options icon. It usually appears as 3 small vertical dots. Click that icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Additional CSS. After you click it, a field will appear where you can enter custom CSS code that will apply to your entire site. Now, in that additional CSS field, paste the same CSS code that I'm using in this tutorial. You can pause this video if you need a moment to copy it accurately. Make sure the code is exactly the same as shown, because even a small typo can stop it from working or affect other parts of your layout. This CSS will specifically target the way WooCommerce displays variable product prices and will hide the range, leaving only the selected variation price visible to your customers. Once you've pasted the code and you are confident it looks correct, look over to the very leftmost panel of the editor. At the bottom, you should see a button that says something like Review One Change. Click that button to open a summary of the modifications you've just made. A pop-up window will appear, showing you the change to your additional CSS. Take a quick moment to review it and confirm everything looks right. When you're ready to apply the change to your live site, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of that pop-up. After saving, your WooCommerce store should now hide the variable price range and only show the active variation price to your visitors.